Tool Chat, Plumbers Tools. My name's Alan Hart, and in today's video we're going to do a review on the new Rothenberger Plasticut Pro, and this is a twin set, and this is to replace my old trusty pipe cutters. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you what I used before. I'm going to show you the type of cutters I've used in the past, and then what we'll do, we'll have a look at the new cutters that Rothenberger's brought out. One thing to point out, I've not been paid to do this video. This video will be my opinion, and it'll be my honest opinion, and I'd love it if you could put your opinion below as well. Let me know what you use at the moment. If you're a plumber, or you're a heating engineer or a gas engineer, what tools do you use for cutting plastic pipe, waste pipe, etc. Years ago we used to use hacksaws, and they were a nightmare. But now we've got tools that really help us do the job a bit better. So yeah, let's have a look at these. So first of all, we'll have a look at the Rothenberger Plasticut Pro twin set. I haven't put the clip in properly then. We'll have a look at the twin set. Now these come in two does one. So unlike the old ones, where I don't know if anybody who's got these are brilliant, really good. Couldn't recommend these enough. But you have an 1.5 inches and an 1.25 inches, and you can always be sure that whichever one you've got, you need the other one. So you're always looking for the other one, which, yeah. So anyway, so these come in combined size. So let's have a look. If we have a look at that. So the first one we're looking at here, this does both sizes. If you push that in and this opens, so this does 1.5 inches pipe, and it does 1.25 inches pipe. So in new money, that's a 35mm pipe and 42mm pipe. And then what you've got there, what you've got to be careful is in here, you've got a sharp blade in there. If you wanted to change this blade, there's a screw there and you can change it. If I'm honest with you, these ones that I've had these for absolutely years. I don't think I can never remember changing one of the blades in them. They're me 1.5 inches and 1.25 inches. They're brilliant. So what we'll do now, we'll cut some pipe with these, see what it's like. So as I say, you've got two different sizes on there. So as you close it together, you can see, go into that bottom one there, and then just pull that together. And if you have a look there, it's got some arrows on there. So that shows you which way you're going to twist it. And all you're doing there is you're twisting cutters. And it cuts nice and easy. Now if you're under a bath or under a sink, cutters like these are an absolute godsend. They're really good. One thing I'd say, one thing I thought was the size of them. Would they be bigger? Because they do both 1.5 inches and 1.25 inches. Would they be bigger? But if you compare them with size, so that's that black one up top there, that's the 1.25 inches one. So if you can see, it's hard to see in it, but they're almost same size, to be honest. And they're actually, well, they're sort of identical to 1.5 inches ones. So they're not that big, to be honest. What I'll do now, I'll show you the old ones and how that compares. So bearing in mind that's got the ratchet on there. So when you push it in, that's a little bit, that on there is a little bit faffy, because you've got to push that down and you've got to pull it apart. But if you only want to have one set of cutters in your bag, then I think that these would be really good for you. If you don't mind having two sets, then these, I would recommend these. I would absolutely, hand on heart, recommend these 100%. I've used these for years and they're brilliant. There's no faffing about at all with these. You just put them on your pipe like that. And again, I don't know if you can see on there, but again, it's got some arrows on there. And you just turn it round on pipe. Brilliant. Really, really good. They really do work well. So whichever one of them that you wanted to choose, I'd recommend either, to be honest. And for anybody who's clicked on the join button as a member, I'm going to give these away. So I'm going to give all this set here that I've been given, I'm going to give away. So I'll do a little raffle for that. I'll get Lucy to do a draw again, and I'll give these away and I'll send them out to somebody. The other thing I wanted to show you were the smaller size ones. I've not seen these ones before from Rothenberger, but these look really good. So what we'll do now, we'll have a little look at these as well. And if we have a look at this hasn't got the ratchet style clip on there like that one. I'm not overly keen on that ratchet style clip, if I'm honest. There's probably a reason that it's there, but like with these ones, it's just easy, just push it in. Obviously if you're under a bath or something like that, you don't have to start getting it in. But they're good, but that's just a bit that I'm not overly keen on. But I'm always going to be honest with you about any videos that I do. I'll always be honest with you. These are smaller ones, and these smaller ones do 15mm and 22mm pipe. And if we have a look in there, you can see again, it's got blade in there. One side of there, that's 22mm, and that one, this one here, that's 15mm. So what we'll do, I've just got some overflow pipe here, so I'm just going to put that in there and we'll see how that cuts. So again, if you have a look on there, it's got the arrows on it, so I'm just going to cut that, push it together and cut it. And again, really easy to use, brilliant them. In fact, I'm probably going to send these to somebody, and then I'm going to buy some myself. So these, I'm definitely going to buy some of these. 100% I'm going to buy them. I'm not going to buy these ones purely because I've got these ones and I've had these for years and they've always served me well. And there's no point in me buying tools that I don't need. But I'll definitely buy these ones. If you're gonna go out now and you're gonna buy some plastic pipe cutters, then would I buy these? Yeah, because you're only gonna have one then in your tool bag, and you're not gonna, like with these, you never know which it is that you've got in your bag, and then you've got to have both in your bag all the time. So if I were going to go buy some new ones today, I'd buy these ones. If we have a look at this type of cutter, and there's all different types, different makes and that, but when you cut your pipe, what you try and do, you try and twist it. You try and twist it while it's on pipe, and then you cut it. But you never get the best end. I mean, that's actually cut better than normal, but I don't know if you can see. You never get the best type of end with these type of cutters. You might do when they're brand new in the sharp, but I mean, again, I've used these for years and I've had these for years and they've served me well. Rothenberger's brought these ones out as well, these new ones. So what we'll do, just have a little quick look at these now. And again, anybody who's clicked the join button, this will be going with the prize with that one. So I'll just open these up. So we've just got these like that, and they've actually got numbers on there now, so you can put your pipe in. Again, you twist it. They're alright. I'd rather have other style if possible than ratchet ones, if I'm honest. As cutters go, they're good. Again, it's got the 42mm one there. So if we're going to cut 42mm. Again, you'd be twisting that as you do it. So we're going to cut 42mm, we'd be twisting it. It's not a bad edge that, but it's not as good as them other cutters. To be honest, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of ratchet cutters in general. But these are as good as any for ratchet cutters. So that's the Plasticut Pro twin set from Rothenberger. Please put a comment below, let me know what you think to them. If you've got some of these already, then again, put a comment below, let me know what you think. The comments below are more important than the video, because people below have watched, have used, have had the experience with these products. So please read the comments below as well. Yeah, that's my opinion on them. Thanks for watching.